Hi, Larry. This is Tisha. We spoke yesterday. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. I came across your website. I was doing some research in the area for plumbers in Sacramento, and I just want to go over just some things about your website and show how you're doing in comparison to your competition. So today what we'll talk about will be three things: content, citations, and backlinks. So to begin with, content is anything that is found on your website. So this could be words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos, what's behind the pictures. So anything that's going to be found on the actual web page. Now, I do recommend at least 1,500 words, and that way you can put keywords throughout your page. Now, it's really important to have a page that has lists clearly exactly what you do, so that when someone is Googling or typing in online trying to find that service, then they can readily find your website. And the next thing we'll talk about will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, or address can be found. So this can be found through Yelp, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau. So anywhere that your website can be found. So it's always important to have as many citations as possible. The next we'll talk about will be backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are found on the web and which leads back to your website. So all backlinks, though, are not made equal. Having a backlink, for example, from a restaurant would be different from having a backlink coming from a hardware store. That's going to bring in more traffic. So I wanted to just show you, I Googled plumbers in Sacramento. And so this is what I came up with. So the first thing that we see here is what we call a map pack. So this is companies that have Google My Business. Now, it's important to be as high as you can here in this map pack. When people Google, they tend to go to the first company that they see. They'll go straight to their website or make a phone call. Now, the next thing that we see here would be it's called an organic search. So in this scenario, when it's an organic search for plumbers in Sacramento, Boyd Plumbing is coming in at number one. Now, sir, I was looking through the website and there's several pages and I wasn't able to find your website. So I will show you, though, looking at some keywords and see where you're landing. I believe you're in 78th place. So we'll go ahead and analyze that. First, I want to show you Bonnie Plumbing's website. So this is their website. They are utilizing some keywords and listing everything that they do, all their services. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and show you that. Now we have a tool. It's called SEM Rush. Just analyzes how your website is doing. So as I was mentioning about the keywords, so shows that you're utilizing between all of your domains 11 keywords, but it doesn't show that you're getting too much traffic off of those keywords. So meaning when someone types in some of the keywords, they're not finding your business. Now, this is what I was meaning saying when there is an organic search. So when someone is typing in this phrase, you're in 78th place, emergency plumbing, and so forth. So this is where you're coming in at. And looking at your domains, okay, so this is your main domain, and I'm only showing that you have 8 backlinks. Okay, so that might be something that you would want to get your business out there as much as possible. Now let's look at Bonnie Plumbing. Now they're utilizing almost 6,000 keywords. So, and with the keywords that they're using, they're bringing in a lot of traffic. So as you can see here, um, they're bringing in over 8,000 people per month. These are the keywords that they're using. Of course, they're branded. And then these are some of the other keywords, and when someone were to type that in, it would bring them over to their business. So these are things that you can also utilize on your website as well. So what we work to do is we work to see what your competitors are doing as far as keywords or things that they're using, and we implement that on your website. And so with that, it can drive more business to the website and bring in more business for you. Now, if you enjoyed the tips that I have provided for you, you're welcome to take these tips and use them for yourself. If you do want to schedule a call and talk more in depth, I'd be happy to do that for you. My phone number is 916-378-9773. Feel free to give me a call. Again, thank you so much for taking time to watch my video, and I hope you have a good day.